retirement benefits. But we are not interested in his retirement benefits. We are only telling Uhuru Kenyatta, give us the space, time and peace to put back our economy to where the Kenyan economy ought to be. Stop undermining the government that was elected by the people of Kenya. I was still a member of Jubilee Party today, I would have told you the party leader would recognize his one Sabina Wanjiru Chege, not Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta is a tired man who should be in retirement now. He has destroyed an economy. Uhuru Kenyatta has no record, no known record of managing or running any political party. Uhuru Kenyatta inherited KANU under Moi as a massive national movement. He reduced KANU to a party that ended up with only 15 members of parliament. We built Jubilee together, a party that had 178 members of parliament. Uhuru Kenyatta in the last election reduced it to a party with only 29 members of parliament. Therefore, for those who support Jubilee and those who are members of Jubilee, if you want your party to survive beyond the last election, please kick out Uhuru Kenyatta from its leadership. As our former president, we respect you as a retired president. If you want to degrade yourself from the level of a retired president to a party activist, we shall deal with you as a party activist. And that is not to mean we don't respect your rights to engage in political activity. But please, don't think you will use your ill-acquired wealth to undermine a government that was elected by the people of Kenya. Taking Uhuru Kenyatta, it is not fear that is being sold to Uhuru Kenyatta. What Uhuru Kenyatta is afraid of is the sabotage he was financing through violent demonstrations. Those violent demonstrations have come to an end. And I know that is a pain Uhuru Kenyatta is suffering from today, that he has no currency of violence to blackmail government, to protect his ill-acquired wealth, to protect the massive looting that was done by him and his cronies under the handshake regime. And we want to tell him, nobody is selling fear to you. Nobody is intimidating you in any way. You have your rights as a former president to do whatever you want to do. And you are protected by our constitution, and we will protect your rights, just as we protect the rights of these Kenyans who want a peaceful country where they can engage in business and rebuild the country's economy. The economy you, Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga destroyed under the handshake regime.
Nipo heo hea kwa sia ya 50. Nipo heo ka nipo kwa. Nipo kwa. Kuko 50 no igure kile. Yes or no? No igure. Yani. Era. Aire tukapwe na modromio mo. Leo baheto wera. Swali ya kwanza nimeuliza huyu, hawa watu ni wa hapa Keno kama umekuja na watu kutoka nje?
Enda kuangalia hapo.
Ndio inuke. Roga mau.